In this video, you will learn when to place the trade and when to not place the trade using Bollinger Bands. Watch the full video to understand clearly. First, let's select Bollinger Band. Make sure all the colors are different. Now, change the period to 20, and change the duration to 2. This is how Bollinger Bands looks like. Let's change the candle time to 1 minute for our convenience. In this chart, the bands are sloping up. We should avoid placing trades if the bands are sloping up or sloping down. This chart has a perfect condition to place the trade using Bollinger Bands. You can clearly see the bumps here. We are now going to use mean reversion technique to place the trade. For that we need the green candle to touch the upper band, and a little confirmation is needed for the reverse strategy to work, so that we wait for 2 candles to form red, so that we place the next 1 minute down. Entered little late, but still that is a deep win. We should avoid this chart because the bands are sloping up. Same here, the bands are sloping down. The situation here is also same as the previous one, but it is touching the bottom line. After the second confirmation, we can place the next 1 minute up. Second candle is also green, so we can place up. In this chart there is a good movement, but we should wait for the candles to touch the top line. If the current candle touches the top line, we can place next 1 minute down. Red doji formed, so we should avoid this trade. Here the candle already touches the top line, so there is a high chance for it to reverse. So, we can place next candle down. The current candle already touches the top, so we can place the next candle down, because there is a high chance for it to reverse. Now you can try Bollinger Bands on your own. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and subscribe for more videos.